Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix PS5 controller not connecting. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If your PS5 DualSense controller is not connecting to your PlayStation 5, what you can do is connect the controller directly to the PS5 using a USB cable C. Press the PS button to pair the controller. If it connects, try using it wirelessly after disconnecting the cable. The second is locate the small reset button on the back of your controller, which will look something like this, and then use a pin or paper clip to press and hold the reset button for about 5 seconds. Reconnect the controller to the PS5 via USB and then press the PS button to repair it. Number 3 is to check for interference. Ensure there are no other Bluetooth devices nearby causing interference. Move the controller and console closer together to strengthen the connection. Number 4 is to restart your PS5. Turn off your PS5 completely and unplug it from the power source for about 2 minutes and then plug it back in, turn it on, and then try reconnecting the controller. You can also update the controller. Go to the settings, accessories, controller, and then update controller software. Ensure the controller is connected via USB to receive any updates. So that's a couple of things that you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.